Hi guys, so today we are going to be building a iOS app and you might think that we're going to build with React Native, but today we're going to do something different. So there's a program called Xcode where you could download, where it's like a Apple's IDE where you could download from the App Store. So I already downloaded it here, so yeah. So let's go to Xcode and then let's create a new project. And if it's your first time in Xcode, for default it might be in multi-platform, but don't choose multi-platform. For your first app, do iOS. So, and don't choose the document app or a game or app playground. Choose the app framework. Then click on next. Now you have to set a product name, and so the product name, let's name it my first app. And if you have a team, if you see a team, and if you see a button, if you see add account, you have to add account. It's you have to log in. So you really don't need to log in, only if you want to view your test. If you if you want to test your app on your iPhone or iPad, you can log in, and we'll do that in the next video. Okay, so now let's click on next, and I create this project folder called L1 demo, and now it's created in here. And so first, you if it's your first time in Xcode, this might this might take a long time, the simulator, to see in Xcode. So you see it says hello world. You could change texture like this. See? You could see it's deleting, and you could put any text you want. So let's I'll put in let's start building iOS apps. And and you can also change the globe to a different logo. So let's do joystick. Well, wait. So, and also this is a library. So the library, let's do a tab. Yeah. So this is a library, so you could search for stuff. Yeah. Like one of these stuff. Go to back content view .swift. And and now let's run it in an iOS simulator. So if you want to run it in an iOS simulator, on the top you see this run button. So click on that, and now it's in a build. Now you see build succeed, and if it says build failed, you might have an error or something. So I'm on an iPhone 17 Pro Max, and so let's wait. My first step. So if you're on an iOS simulator, so like this is a iOS simulator, and like we know what an iOS simulator is because we did that like a couple of videos ago. So yeah. If like nothing loads, if like nothing loads and it's just a white screen, it's like you might have like not a error, like you might have these green stuff. You might have like your padding might be like, or anything it might be like green. So yeah, that's how you build a Xcode app, and in the next video we are gonna learn how to view your app on on your iPhone or iPad. Bye.